it's stuck.
Okay, keep going.
Try it again.
Oh.
But wait.
We practiced too many times and now
Now it's not working. Hey guys, it's JoAnn with Expressions Vinyl, and this week for Vinyl Friday, it's been crafting with kids week, so we're crafting with Nash today. He's got to play with the money gun. Is it gonna work again? Try it. Oh, there it goes.
Ooh, keep going.
There it goes. Oh.
Maybe if we pull a little bit out.
There's
Nash,
too
do
many.
you want to wave and say hi?
Say
He's gonna fix our money gun here.
This is one of his favorite things to do when he comes in. So you gotta play with the money gun. I'm just being slow today.
Here, let me see it. Okay, try it now. Man!
We'll have to get it figured out.
Oh, now try it. I think we might tip it forward a little bit. There. That's what we're going for. Awesome. Oh, there we go.
Okay. Should we do our surprise now?
No, wait.
One more time?
One more time?
Okay. And then we'll do our surprise.
Brittany says hello. So before we get started crafting, Nash is going to reload his money gun.
There you go.
But we want to know where you guys are joining in from.
Yeah, where's everybody joining from? What are you doing today? And this, we're not quite sure how this is going to go. We'll see how it goes. Oh, he's ready with the money gun again.
Okay, ready?
Oh,
There, that was good.
That's a good one.
He got it good that time.
Should we do it now?
Yeah.
Should we do that? Today, we're gonna do something really cool. So we'll put the money gun behind us and we can do it again in a little bit, okay? No?
All right, we got Tiffany in Utah.
Yay!
Mackenzie says, how cute. Nash is one of my favorites. Nash, can you tell us why you smell so good today? Can you tell me why you smell so good today?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. He told us earlier and it was adorable.
Any more money?
We're doing the warm-up before we craft, so. We got Deborah in Tampa. Ooh, yay. Deborah, I bet you're nice and warm. Turtletown, Tennessee. I've never heard of Turtletown, Tennessee. That sounds awesome.
Okay, ready for more? Okay.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Oh, sweet.
Okay.
Ooh, today Shelly is designing labels for party favors.
Oh, fun.
Brittany has homework today, so she can craft later. That's a good job.
Okay,
Do your work
Nash.
first, and then you can play, right?
Nash, should we pick one?
Just pick up.
Oh, picking up your money? Okay. Pick up that little bit of money and then we'll pick one. We gotta do the surprise.
JoAnn, do you want to tell us our goal for today?
We're gonna do a shirt. It's actually his dad's birthday in a couple weeks.
Nash, is it your dad's birthday soon?
Is your dad's birthday soon?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're doing a shirt for...
Actually, my dad already had his birthday, so his other one is, I don't know.
He already had one, but he's having another one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one? Okay.
I must have 2 birthdays.
2 birthdays.
Oh, you have
Awesome.
two? That's
I
awesome.
already had mine.
You
already
did?
But
Nash.
Are you gonna have another one?
Yeah.
Nash, can you tell me how old you are? You're 4? That's awesome. What did you get for your birthday?
I forgot.
You forgot? Your birthday was kind of a while ago, huh? Yeah. Okay, can you come pick out what shirt you think your dad would like?
Which one would your dad want? The red one or the black one?
The red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because he really likes red.
He really likes red? Okay, so we're gonna do the red one.
Again. That's his favorite. Okay, Nash, can we save that until after and then you can do it again when we're done with our shirt?
I refill it. I know it's refilled.
Okay, refill it and then set it back here and we can do it after, okay? All of them refilled?
Good morning, Rhonda. Ooh, Barbara's making baby shower favors.
Yay. So we're doing this t-shirt for his dad, and we cut a few of, we thought maybe were his dad's favorite things. We'll find out. His dad's just right over there. This is one of his dad's favorite things, if you know what that is.
Okay, comment if you can tell us who knows what this logo is. We want to see how many fans are out there. Who can tell us what this logo is? Give us a thumbs up if you know. Comment if you know. Shelly says these are the same shirts she's using for her kids' birthday shirts.
Okay, is it full?
Hobby Lobby.
Perfect.
Good place to get shirts. Oh, Beth got it.
We're ready to go.
Desiree got it.
Okay.
Nash, do you know what this is?
What is that?
Triangle.
It's kind of a triangle. What is it? What does it say though?
I don't know.
Have you ever seen that before?
It's Van Halen. Does your dad like Van Halen?
Yeah. Do you know any songs from Van Halen?
No.
There's one I have heard you sing before. I think it goes.
Should we put that on his shirt?
I can lift this up.
You're a tough guy, huh?
Should we put that on his shirt? What about, what does that look like?
The car. I mean the truck.
Whose truck?
I don't know.
Does that
Does that look like a
his
cool truck?
Yes.
Which one do you think your dad would like better? This one or the truck?
Or there's a great big one.
We like a big one.
The big one?
Yeah.
On the front or the back?
Right here.
Right here?
Oh, Doreen got it too. Van Halen.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it all
That looks
flat.
awesome.
Do you want to iron it on? I'll help you. This is kind of hot, so I'll help you. But I'll show you how to do it. It's a little punch. It punches little circles. Should we put little circles on it?
Yeah.
We got lots of
Little
guesses.
circles?
You guys are so good. Thank you for guessing. You guys are awesome.
Did it make any circles?
Nope.
No.
Not yet, huh?
I think there are no circles.
There's nothing in it. Should we put something in it? Can you make a circle with it? Let's see.
Gotta use your muscles.
Lots of muscles for this one. Oh,
Oh.
close.
Want to try it
Try it
again?
again. Can you punch a circle out? Squish. Oh.
Gina, I like it. I like
Did
your
you get it?
emojis.
Yep.
We got it.
I want the white one.
You want a white one?
Yeah.
Let's see if we've got a white one. We've got this one. This one works.
Was that reflective?
Yeah,
That one looks cool when you shine a flashlight on it.
that one would work. Okay, we're just waiting for the easy press to heat up, and then we'll help.
Ooh.
Did you get it?
You're tough, dude. That was awesome.
Right here. Good job.
Do you want to put that one on your dad's shirt?
Yeah.
Cool. Nash, can you tell me some of your favorite things? How about...
I made a half circle.
Oh, a half circle. Should we put that one on?
Yeah.
Nash, what's your favorite kind of candy?
Hugs.
Hugs?
Hugs.
Do you like
All of
candy?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you like carrots?
Carrots and candy.
Ooh, you're a good
Carrots and
boy. Ooh, Brittany's asking if we have copper HTV.
Ooh, yes.
We
This
do.
one.
So this guy, let me put it on the background. This is copper in the
Electric.
Caesar Electric. Caesar Easy Weed Electric, and this is the copper color.
Try it right here.
So yeah, we have copper and it's really pretty.
Oh, yeah. My fault.
Okay, try another one.
Ooh, Emily has a good idea. She says reflective on shirts for flashlight tag. I like that.
Nope. Should we put that Great Big Van Halen on his shirt? Are you ready? Should we do it? Okay, we've got to put it over here, so we've got to move our punch. Can we move these over there for a minute? Okay. Awesome.
You're welcome, Brittany.
Okay. He's got lots of supervision here, so he's going to be okay. We're going to help him do this. Okay. Here's his shirt. Should we put it right on front? Like that?
So if you guys are just tuning in, we are crafting with kids. We're doing it all week long because next week is National Crafting with Kids Day.
Okay.
And so Nash is here making a fun shirt for his dad.
This is really hot, so come right here by the handle. Can you pick up the handle right there? Okay.
And JoAnn's going to help him
There. Oh, push it.
heat press a shirt on for his dad.
We forgot to set the timer. We'll be okay though.
Can you count in your head? Can you count out loud and so we know how long it's going?
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh, you think that's good?
It's really hot. We have to wait until it cools down because we use strip flock on this, so it's really hot. I don't know if they had it hot enough. Okay, we gotta wait for it to cool down. Think he'll like that?
And I get to ride the forklift with Dad.
You can ride in the forklift.
Awesome.
And what else you get to do today? We gotta get the corner. We didn't get the corner. Okay, we gotta do it really quick right here in the corner. Oh, push hard. Really hard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9.
10. Okay.
Whoa, you can count awesome, Nash.
Okay.
Emily's asking Hobby Lobby for the shirt. And yes, we got the shirt at Hobby Lobby. They're not on the back wall where the normal shirts are. They're on an aisle where the onesies are. Well, at ours, they were right across.
There's a lot of money under the
There's a lot of money? There is a lot of money.
That's my fault.
It's your fault. You did it. Okay, should we take this off?
The money.
Do you want to take this off?
Ooh, it's my favorite part.
But this is Nash's favorite part.
Nash loves the... We bribed him with the money gun.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Do you want to take this off, Nash? It's ready to take off so you can see it.
Crafting with kids, this is how it goes.
Yeah.
I love it.
Goes.
So this is my favorite part.
Do you want to take it off?
Do you want to come see it?
Take the rest off. You don't want to take it off? No?
Nash said you can take it off.
I can take it
So
off.
funny. So tell us, guys, if you're crafting, what do you like to craft with your kids? What do you guys do?
Oh, wait, my fault.
And does it end up like this? Whoa.
Hilarious.
Should we put a truck on it or should we just do this? Should we put the dots on it?
Oh yeah, come put your dots on, dude. Also tell us if this is how it goes at your house when you're crafting with kids.
Let's just go at your house. So we've got this much so far. It's the strip block. So
The strip block vinyl is fuzzy.
really fuzzy, yeah.
It has like a velvety texture. I love it.
Should we put the dots on?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to help me put the dots on.
That's why I did this morning again.
Okay, load the money up and then come here and help me put the dots on.
Emily says this is what payday looks like. I wish.
Yeah.
Before the bills, right?
Wish it was real. It's just a little fake money.
Becky says,
Fake money.
It is fake. It is fake money? Okay. You think?
Becky says her kids are teenagers, so I just stand there and instruct and they do it themselves.
Okay.
That's fun.
Where should we put these dots?
Yeah, right there.
Right there? Where else? Should we put these on?
Yeah.
Okay, you put them. Where do you want to put them? You put them where you want them. Clear over there? Okay. The last one? Right there. Are there any more?
Do you want any more dots?
Here's some more dots.
Here's a half dot.
Yeah.
No half dot?
One down there?
Where's the half top?
Okay, here's the half dot.
Okay. Just like that? We ready? Okay. Gotta get this again. Okay. Be careful.
Can you push the timer button? Yeah, now.
It's 30 seconds, but we'll watch it. I didn't change the timer. Okay. When it gets to 15, then we've got to move it. Oh, okay. Lift it up. Lift it up. Move it this way.
Ooh,
Okay.
good job.
Okay. It's going to beep at us in a few minutes.
What are you
Well,
going to do when
in
it
a few
beeps?
Seconds. Yeah, what should we do when it beeps? Lift it up. Put it back. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay.
Awesome.
Pick this up. Whoops, that was upside down. Whoops.
One of the dots was upside down and stuck to the carrier sheet.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah. Can you pop those off? The little clear carrier sheet. Get it off. Good job. Stacy, the strip block is awesome.
Oh, look at that. Now they're little clear stickers. No.
The strip block is really fun. Yay, I hope you like it, Stacy.
Woo! A half one.
A half a one.
Ooh, guess what, Nash? Our friend Becky loves working with vinyl, and she just decorated water bottles for Disney. Have you ever been to Disney?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing there?
Toy.
The toys? Did you get a toy from Disney?
Yeah.
What did you get?
I forgot.
Oh.
Do you like the rides?
Yeah.
What rides do you like?
This is the last one.
That's the last one. No, it's kind of hard, huh?
He's working hard.
Reflective. Do you think Dad's gonna like this? You think he'll like it? Should we put anything else on it? No, just these? Should we give it to him?
Mm-hmm.
That one's a tough one, huh?
It's half whack.
Yeah, it's tough black.
So Nash is peeling off the carrier
Can you
sheet
help?
to those polka dots. He cut them out using...
There
Nash,
you
can
go.
you show us how you made the polka dots?
Let me get that one off, then show us how you made the polka dots. There we go.
Awesome.
How did you make them? With that? And
the
what?
money's gonna get snapped.
Oh, the money, yeah. Should we try it again?
No.
You want to try black one? These are hard ones.
Nah, I don't want to.
No, you don't want to try it? Okay. Are we done? Should we put anything else on it?
Yeah, give it to him.
Give it to him? Okay. Should we go give it to him?
I don't know if he...
Yeah!
Okay.
That's it.
Are you ready? I don't know if he's in there.
Let's see.
Nope. He's not in there.
Just put it.
Where's he at?
Oh, he'll leave it. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Leave it?
Leave it there.
Okay.
Then you can't see what it is.
Yeah.
Hey, money time!
Money time.
Money time!
So that's how you craft with kids. Just go with the flow, whatever you want to do. And then pick up the mess afterward.
This is our mess right now.
So leave us any questions. If you got any questions, we'll get to those. And let us know how you craft with kids, because we'd love to hear it. We'd love to see if it goes this same way. And yeah. So let us know. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next week.